Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create cute childhood style AI art that's going viral on Facebook and Instagram. First, download the ChatGPT from the Play Store. Now, open the ChatGPT. Click on the plus icon. Now, select your photo. Now, paste the prompt. You can find this prompt in my description and comment box. Wait for 5 seconds and your image will be ready. That's it. Thanks for watching.